In order to efficiently clean components with very complex geometries, such as capillaries, bores, and undercuts, Ecoclean uses the PPC process for aqueous cleaning. By generating a vacuum, gas and vapor bubbles are created, enlarged, and then reduced in size by increasing the pressure again, causing them to implode. Repeated pressure changes generate flows and thus an exchange of media at the laminar boundary layer near the surface, whereby the cleaning effect is also achieved at inner geometries, cavities that are difficult to access. The ultrasonic plus process can also be used to optimize the cleaning of complex geometries during solvent cleaning. Alternating pressure conditions in conjunction with ultrasonic treatment generate cavitation bubbles even in capillaries, bores, and hard-to-reach areas, which allows for more intensive cleaning. The use of low-pressure plasma after drying can additionally reduce residual organics. For plasma cleaning, the pressure in the working chamber is reduced, the process gas, for example filtered room air or oxygen, is introduced and the plasma is ignited. In the vacuum, excitation of the process gas produces high-energy ions and free electrons, as well as other reactive particles that form the plasma. At the same time, the UV radiation of the plasma develops a cleaning effect. In order to meet such high cleanliness requirements, Ecoclean relies on electro-polished surfaces for high-purity applications, as well as virtually particle-free bearings for necessary fabric movements. Welded or flanged connections are also bead and seam-free as far as possible. The treatment chambers or tanks are easily accessible and cleanable and run completely empty to reduce any cross-contamination to an absolute minimum. Adapted vacuum technology is required for high-purity cleaning processes such as PPC or vacuum drying. The use of high-performance filter elements, high-purity solvents and an optimized distillation for solvent plants or a high-end water treatment plant to generate osmosis water for aqueous cleaning systems are also crucial for achieving the highest purity requirements. After the trials, the cleaning results can be checked or pre-qualified under clean room conditions. Therefore, different technologies such as microscopes, bright light, as well as UV light, which are used in a dark room under optimal test conditions, are available to examine the components for both filmic and particulate residual contamination. In addition, suitable packaging options are available to exclude back contamination of the components as far as possible and to ensure safe shipment to customers or certified laboratories. In our meeting rooms connected to the High Purity Test Center, the preliminary results are discussed with the customers in order to jointly evaluate the findings from the trials with regard to plant technology, processes and procedures, and to discuss further steps.
Ecoclean, technology that inspires.